your pussy woman, not catch you now.
Catch who?
Catch your bumbo clot. Boy, your video.
From video me from blood clot phone, brother. Bumba wall. You dead, man?
Where's that?
Suck yourself.
Nah, for we, black for bad, me, all white. Anything bad, we get dash way. If your food tastes bad, you're not going to eat that. You're not consume that. You throw it away. Anything will smell bad, you don't want that road now. If your hygiene is off, you know. In Jamaica, them say you smell bad, you're green. You rank like ram goat. You have to hold a beard or something. You see me I say? So anything bad, I forget that way. And the youth them nowadays are going like them a bad man, them bad and them this and Ray this and XY this and what is badness? Is lacking of emotional control. If you can't control your emotion, you classify yourself as a bad man. If you can't control your emotion, you classify yourself as a bad man. And really and truly, nothing is bad, you know. Nothing is bad in this world. It's just we just find the alternative of good to say it's bad. Nothing is bad. Nothing was created bad. All things was created perfect in thy sight, in the Most High sight. You get me? So all them youth run up and down and I say, yo, them a bad man and this and through them lack of emotional control. I can't tell you enough. I guarantee you so most of them youth are them a bad man. Them emotional bad. I tell you, if you talk to them a type of way, them feel a way, hurt them want to hurt you. If them and them family in a problem, them get emotional, them even want to hurt all them family. Have woman in them life and them have relationship problem. Them want to hurt them woman and hurt all themselves. And them people there call themselves bad people, you know. People who are go around and do them things, we can't control them emotion, you know. And them are the bad people, you know. And let me tell you this. Emotion, you say your emotion is a powerful thing. Your emotion is tied to your conscience. The conscience spring the vision and the heart spring the emotion. So you see if you have vision certain thing from afar, what that is good, just to say you win $1 million. Yeah? And you see if the heart now feel it, the emotion now align with that vision, the $1 million come like nothing. The $1 million come like nothing, no matter how much it value. You cannot you can be envisioning that $1 million, and because the heart is not in alignment with that, the emotion just make it off, make it not work. And that is $1 million, that is a value, that is value. But because the heart and the mind is not in alignment, it just don't seem like it's that worth it to you. Or it just don't seem like that is enough to you. Or that just don't mean nothing to you. So the balance of the emotion and the thought work. So in a life now, the youth, you don't know so watch if you think certain way and the heart align with the way they think, a problem, you know. A destruction, you know, if you not think the right way with that alignment of heart and the thought, you know, the conscience, you know. And that make no for youth them and lose themselves now because them can't align them emotion with them vision. Them emotion the one side and them vision upon the other side. And you know people not teach how the government not set up certain things for you, them realize them inner self and them unseen self where them can connect with that and learn about them emotional side and them conscience basically. Because them youth nobody not teach them how to think. Nobody not teach them how to be emotional. I have that on a balance. As a man, a woman emotional, you know. A woman emotional, man not emotional, man for a balance. That's why enough things are going on in the world right now. Because a lack of emotional balance within people. Both man and woman. On a realistic level, females are more emotional than man. They are created that way. But we man now, we have to learn to balance our emotion, our emotional side. Because if you get too emotional, the female them have a problem with that. And if you get too emotional, you can't control yourself. You always find yourself in a problem. What I think of people are hurt people nowadays because I lack of emotional control, you know. You think I just start make people hurt people, or how them feel why them hurt the people, you know? Because you can think about it and say there's $1 million, but because the heart not align with that thought for the million, it come like the million is not even worth it. And the same thing I try showing you, say, the way you think and if you align that thought, the way you feel in your heart, a destruction if you not think the right way. And if people think positively and righteous and align the right conscience with the right feeling in them heart, great things manifest in this lifetime. Greatness come forward. But because the youth them don't know if you think and align them emotion with that thought, they may have problem. But not teaching, but not have time for show them certain things. But now have time for that. Them have to try go through the struggles of life and try learn how to think properly and control that emotional side, because them feel like a woman alone can bring out the side of them. And I know so the everyday lifestyle, the survival lifestyle bring that side out of them too. The emotional side, the struggles of life bring that out of you too. And we say your life hard this and life hard that, but many people have it harder in some part of the world, you know, and them still survive and alright, you know. There are some people in the world who don't know no Benz and no big house and no mansion and none of that. And none of that, you know. No tile on no house and no paint on no house, and there are some people in the world who know nothing about them things. And they might live life on a different spiritual level. Them a balance their mind and them inner connection, them inner feeling. And we there so with all this modern lifestyle, with car out a door and house have one paint and window and door, and we still can align with the mind, with the inner self. We can align the mind with the heart, and all them modern things is around. So I man come to share wisdom and knowledge with the ones on one side 15 myself on the YouTube algorithm and the YouTube platform where people start get used to I man, then never start see a different side. It just pave the way forward right now. It just pave the way to see the direction where we are going now. Yeah, but the youth them need to learn how to think properly and align them emotions with their conscience. Because at that make enough of them hurt themselves and hurt them loved ones. See? It cause them folly movements in the earth. Because nobody is there to teach them how to think properly and how to align them inner self, that is them emotional side, with them conscience. Subscribe if you know. Hit that like button and leave your thoughts in the comment. You know, go drag it out too much. You know what I mean?
Satan bet against Job. Think about it. And when Jesus come, why?